How to insert and remove a page break in Google Docs. Open the Google Docs by simply searching for docs.google.com in any browser. Open the document of your choice. Click at the end of the document where you want to insert a page break. Click on the option Insert. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for break. Click on it. Choose the option for page break. Or you can simply use the keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl and Enter on your keyboard. Once you do that, the page break will be inserted. If you want to remove the page break, simply put your cursor on the line immediately after the page break. Now press the backspace on your keyboard. Once you do that, the page break will be removed. Or instead of doing that, you can also put your cursor at the very end of the line before the page break. Now press the delete key on your keyboard. Like this, you can insert and remove a page break in Google Docs. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.